Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we have been dealing with ethics in public administration where we'll be dealing with a different topic, laws, rules, regulations as source of ethical guidance, in which we'll be dealing with law as a source of ethical guidance, different ethics obtained from laws, and laws obtained from ethics. To begin with, law as a source of ethics. Laws are established by different government bodies at different levels like state level, national level, local level, and are enforceable by the judicial systems and act as a reflection of values that society holds and also as the most formal source of ethical guidance. Say, as you all know, laws are framed by the country or state or local bodies which are to be followed by the citizens so that to avoid any unrelevant behavior or unrelevant problem in within the country, state or district or the society whatsoever it may be. So why are those laws formed and why it is formed? Why are they acting as ethical guidance? Establishing societal norms. See, laws are codified, um, like what behaviors are considered to be right or wrong. So these are something which the laws codify and are based on collective ethical standards of society. Like laws against murder reflects the universal principles of that taking another one's life is wrong. See, murdering is wrong anywhere in the world. That's so establishing the societal norms. Protection of rights and welfare. Laws safeguard the rights and welfare of individual, which ensures one's freedom does not infringe upon another freedom. Example like labor laws protecting workers from exploitation, ensuring fair wages and safe working conditions. See, we should all know that in the recent past, founder of founder of Infosys, Mr. Narayana Murthy has commented about 70-hour work per week, which is not at all a possible one. See, that 70-hour work per week will not be implemented because there are labor laws which protect workers, which protect the employees from exploitation. So that's why law act as a source of ethical guidance. Promotion of fairness and justice. The legal system strives to ensure that individuals are treated fairly and justly, and also providing mechanisms for dispute resolutions and rectifications of the wrongs. Like the principle of innocent until proven guilty underscores the ethical commitment to fairness in the legal process. Like example, universal declaration of human rights, anti-discrimination law, consumer protection law, these all bring in the promotion of fairness and justice. Now we'll be looking into how ethics are obtained from laws. Drink and drive laws. See, it is ethical imperative to not drink while driving, and this is complemented by law against doing so. When you drink and drive, actually, you should not drink and drive vehicle. It is not ethical, and a law is forced on that for penalty if you are found so. Ban on dowry. See, dowry is prohibited by law, and asking for it is seen largely as unethical and but it's not relevant to the current scenario, and it's an unethical practice as well. Free legal aid. Providing free legal aid to the poor is an ethical obligation for the state and is enshrined in the Indian Constitution under democratic directive principles of state policy. Reservation for weaker sections. Article 14 recognizes the need for special provisions for weaker sections in society and for their historical injustices. Traffic rules. See, abiding by the traffic rules are an ethics that are sourced from existing transportation laws and regulations. So these are different types of laws which are ethics which are obtained from laws. Now, we'll be looking at the different laws which are obtained from ethics. Untouchability. Untouchability, Article 17 prohibits the practice of untouchability and upholds the ethics of equality and treating all human beings with the same respect. That is something we should follow at any cost. Untouchability. Never ever promote that concept of staying untouchable. No, everyone is equal in the society, and we should all treat humans beings with the same respect. Right to liberty. Ethics mandates that all men must be free to decide upon the course of their lives and activities. Yes, ethics allows women to decide how they wanted to live and the way they wanted to live. But it should also be made sure that it does not affect the society they live in. Protection of wildlife. The Wildlife Protection Act and other laws which are protecting ecology are sourced from the environmental ethics. Equality. The right to equality is sourced from the ethic of treating all equally without any bias or prejudice. A civil servant must maintain the equality no matter what comes under his personal situations. Law against trafficking. Human trafficking treats a person as a commodity, and ethics mandates that a person cannot be treated as a means to an end. This is something, human trafficking is very much bad or evil for the society, and must be abolished. Or must strict law must be brought for it. So hope you guys understood today's topics, for where law was as a source of ethical guidance, and ethics obtained from law and laws obtained from ethics were discussed. So we will resume with next topic in the next lecture. Do watch the lecture, share, subscribe the channel with friends and co-aspirants. Thank you.